What is up guys, this is your boy Vishu from SavageCamp and this video is going to be on email slicing. This is another beginner program. It's pretty easy. What you have to do is take an user's email and slice out the domain name, and if it is one of the popular domains, just tell them that, oh, you have this email account. If it is a custom domain, just tell them you have your own email address. So basically that is what we are going to do. Let me take input. So email address is equal to input, enter your email address. Let's do print email address. So I'll do vishukamble.outlook.com. It will print it out. Vishu@gmail.com. It will print it out. We have the first thing going. Let us create a known domain list. And this will have Gmail, Hotmail. Actually, instead of doing this, let's do a key value pair. So we will do Gmail will have a value of Google, Outlook will have a value of Microsoft, will also be Microsoft, Yahoo is Yahoo. Did I miss anything else? I think we'll just do the top three. Oh, we can do Apple. Apple will have Apple. And let's also add in Samsung. So we have a dictionary of the known domain list. So let us split this string. So domain, if you don't know, domain means the name of the website. So domain underscore name is going to be email address dot split with @ and the first element in the list, because when you split it with @, this is going to be the 0 element, this is going to be the first element. If I do this now, vishu@gmail.com, we have gmail.com. Again, we have the keys as Gmail, not .com. Here we will have to edit with dot split again, and I will do a dot and the 0 element. So when I split this string with the dot, it creates element 0, element 1, and we will take the element 1. Now if I do vishu@gmail.com, it's going to give me the email address and the domain. If domain name in known domain list dot keys print, oh, you have a, let's do an F, email address, and here we are going to do known domain list of domain name. So if it is Gmail, it will pick up the key, which is the Google email address, and let's add an apostrophe s, else the same thing, or you have a personal email address. Pretty easy guys, it's all the formatting. So vishu@gmail.com will give me, oh, you have a Google's email address. We don't need to print out this anymore. And vishu@hotmail.com will give me Microsoft. Vishu@samsung.com will give me Samsung's, and the last one, vishu@apple.com will give me Apple's email address. One thing that you can do is, if @ in email address and .com in email address. Then we are going to run all of this, else print you did not put a valid email address. So now for this it should fail. If I put vishu@gmail.com, it should fail. Vishu@hotmail should also fail. And if we do vishu@outlook.com, this should work. You have a Microsoft email address. So we just added a quick check over here, and I think that is it for this video. Pretty easy. It's all about formatting. This was the key part and checking if it is a valid email address or not. But I think that is it for this video, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.